my dog is telling me whatever to do. And guys, this is a really heavy thing. I got this just like ages ago. On YouTube. How I got this? The mushroom. It's a mushroom thing. I don't know what it's called, but my dog is telling me what to do, whatever to do. So I have to take him challenges and even give him whatever he wants, but no food. Oops. Wait, he got it. So okay. Are you down to do this? Are you down to make challenges for me? Oh, yeah, you are. Okay. So, Rocker, what's the first challenge? Guys, I'm so scared. The first challenge is you'll need to jump up and down 3 times. That's so hard. That's actually. I'm just gonna say that's so hard. Rocco, how do you think I'm gonna do that? I don't know. Just keep on trying until you do. That's rude. Watch me do it. Oh my gosh, things in the way. What is it called, guys? Pin down in the comments. Okay. When did you do it? What did you move? Finally moved. 3 times. I'm up. I'm back up. I didn't say how much, so that's the last one.